today we're on the streets of Lagos and we're getting people's reactions after eating a cheeseburger. Let's go. My man, how you doing?
I'm cool.
What's your name?
My name is Rotimi.
Well,
Fijabi.
And
Opayemi.
Sayo.
we have Busayo in the building. Rotimi, nice one. Rotimi, have you had a cheeseburger before?
No.
Alright, so today is your lucky day. You're gonna be tasting a cheeseburger. You're gonna let me know your thoughts. Alright?
Okay.
Let's go. No? Okay, so today you're gonna taste it. And when you taste it, you're gonna tell me what you feel about it, okay?
Wow. Oh my god! Look, mommy.
Very sweet, yeah? Nice, nice. Hey bro, do you want to taste? Wow. This nice. Nice, yeah? Nice. Have another bite. Go. Let's see your own taste. It's good, yeah? Yeah? Alright, yeah. Nice. You had a cheeseburger before?
No.
Never had a burger before. Alright, so today's your lucky day. You're gonna taste it and you're gonna tell me what it tastes like and how you feel about it. Alright? I have our cheeseburger here. Josiah, yeah? Go. Taste it.
Okay.
Yeah, so taste it and let us know your feedback. Eat some more, eat the meat inside. Yeah, don't be scared. Is it good?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
It's sweet, yeah?
Very nice. It's very nice.
If you go to a restaurant now, would you order the cheeseburger?
Yes, I will order.
It's really nice, yeah?
Yes, nice.
So now that's a wrap on our studio edition cheeseburger. Let's go.